Hi everyone, welcome to Standard Sensations. I'm going to do a quick draw for this split cup. Today's the deadline and we're going to do the winner. Now I had 3 entries that actually did each of the steps that I asked for. The first entry is Vanel. There you go, you're in the draw. We've got Rossi with Art with Rossi. You're in the draw. And Janet Macari, you're in the draw. So this split cup says, make your own magic. I know it's bright yellow, you probably can't see it because it's so bright, but that's what it says on the cup. 4-slot cup, up for grabs. Greg's here with me, and he's going to draw a name, and I'm just going to mix these cards up. I'm going to put them behind my back, make sure he can't see nothing. And we're going to get him to draw a name. Alrighty, hon. You're going to draw the winner of the split cup. And we have Rossi. There you go. Art with Rossi. You won the split cup. But you know what, hon?
We have another cup.
I think you did a blue one, didn't you?
I believe we did.
A blue one that says joy within every pore. Very pretty blue one. I think we should give that one away too. What do you think? You willing to draw another name? Here, let me mix them up. Let's draw another name. Who do we got?
We've got
Vanel. You just won the blue split cup. The same one. It's a 4-cylinder. And it says joy within every pore. But you know what, hon? You make these all the time. I think you can make another one.
I can print one up tomorrow.
I'd really like to give a third one.
Okay.
So Janet Macari, you're going to have a cup coming to you as well.
Congratulations to all of you.
Now ladies, please email me your address at puddlesandpoursart@shaw.ca. That's where you should email me your address and I will ship these cups out to you. Thanks very much for entering, ladies. I really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It means the world. Keep subscribing. Keep the comments and thumbs up coming. And you never know when the next draw is going to be. Thanks again, everyone. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Standard Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I am going to be trying to do what I call a dry dip. I've seen this done on Michaela's Studio 13's channel. I've done it a couple times where you have the paint base down on your plastic. There's no canvas under here. And then you dip your canvas on it. I didn't realize when she was doing it, her canvases are dry. So last night I painted a couple of canvases black. And I'm going to give this a whirl and see if I can get one of those beautiful flower paintings that she does. So this is inspired by her channel. Hopefully I've watched enough of it and it turns out to be a huge success. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course, everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It really does mean the world. All the thumbs up, all the comments. I read them all and I try to respond to every single one of them. If I've missed anyone, I apologize. Everything that I see, I respond to. Okay. So I'm just going to be putting some color down here. I'm going to put my dry black canvas, which the first one is going to be a 16 by 20. I painted that last night. And we're going to put it on here, a dry canvas, and kind of do a dry reverse dip, I guess is what it would be. Okay, let's first start with, I'm going to do some of my metallic. This is left over from one of my paintings. It's Artez's Rose and some metallic. And we'll go right about here. I really hope this turns out because I love her paintings. They're just gorgeous. They're usually not on a 16 by 20 though from what I've seen, so this could be a little bit of a bigger canvas then. And I think I'm going to do one over here as well. Now this is black acrylic that I'm putting this on. 50% acrylic paint, 50% Floetrol. Let's see. Do I want to do one more? Maybe one here, smaller one, and one over here. Okay. Now I want to put a little bit of this fluorescent pink by Liquitex. I think I'm just going to do it in the center here a little bit. I always like trying new things, so why not? Okay. What else do I want to add to this? I want more color, so I'm going to do some blue. Some phthalo blue. Big one right in the center. And maybe right here. I'm thinking it's going to need more in the center here. They say always follow your gut, so I'm going to put more there. And I'm going to go right here and here. Okay. Now with that, I'm going to put some of my pearl, metallic peacock pearl. More in there. Okay, now let's add some greens. This is the phthalo green. What do you think? You got enough there? I think I'm going to put a little bit in here too. Okay. Let's put some dark green down as well. Be a little bit harder to see on the black, but that's okay. One thing we love about abstract, nothing needs to be perfect. Okay. I'm feeling like we need a little bit of a lighter green too. Okay. Let's give this a whirl and see if it turns out. I'm feeling like we need some silver or something. Yeah. I'm going to put some silver in here too. There we go. Now let's give it a whirl. I'm just going to press down, trying not to slide it around too much. Okay, I'm going to pull straight up, and we're all going to hold our breath. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let me give that a little bit of a torch here. Set it like that for a second. Getting some of those bubbles out. That's actually really pretty. There we go. Look how beautiful that turned out. Well, the cells are starting to pop up as well, which is nice. Not a lot, but there's some. I am very happy with that. Okay, I'm going to put this guy aside, and I'm going to try and do one more. So it'll be a 2-for-1 deal here. Give me 1 second here. Okay, let that painting dry. Let's do another. That's almost a keeper right there on the table. Okay. Let's just do some more here. What size canvas do I have? I think it's a 14 by 14. Now I'm doing these different colors than what I did the last one, just to make it a different painting. Making a little bit of a mess with that just because I'm trying to get a second painting done quickly here. Okay, let's do silver in these as well, because I did like the silver. It was really nice. Okay. Let's get some dark green down. Probably should have measured my canvas area first, but that's okay. I'm just thrilled that that turned out so well. Okay. Let's see if we got enough paint down there. Canvas number 2 is over here. There we go. And again, I'm going to try not to slide it around too much. Okay, I'm going to pull up. I see a pool of paint on either side of this. Let's see how we did on this one. Oh, another gorgeous one. Okay, let me give that one a torch. And there we go. There is another dry dip flower painting. 2 paintings in what, maybe 20 minutes? I'll definitely show these once they're all dry. But definitely, it's gorgeous. I love it. They just turned out awesome. A couple more bubbles I need to blow out of this one. Now that I'm looking on the angle. There we go. Okay, I'll give you another quick little glance. There we have it. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for watching. A little more practice with this, and I think I'm going to have a new favorite because that was a lot of fun to do. Very quick. All right. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Remember, stick around and watch the video coming up next. I'm sure Greg will be picking one of his favorites to show. Stick around and watch. Thanks, everyone.